So add cornmeal to the water and stir gently. How much cornmeal? Ouch! Damn, that's hot. Ah, it's so hot, people. Just gonna turn down the flames and stir gently. Yeah. Yep, going in with a small piece of cinnamon bark. Nice flavor to the porridge. Cinnamon bark just going in like that. So some condensed milk going in that porridge, stirring it around. My stove is nice and clean again, so I feel happy. You know me, hate mess when I'm cooking. I'll give it a taste test in a minute, people. But I would add to this nice porridge just a tiny bit of sugar, literally 1 tablespoon, and then that's it. Thanks for watching. Just like that, porridge is thickened up, looking good. Healthy cornmeal porridge, Jamaican style. Well, at least my style. I'm just gonna sweeten it up now with a bit of condensed milk. Remember, I don't have coconut. How nice this would be with some freshly squeezed coconut milk. But I use some soya milk as alternative. Think it work just as well. Different type of flavor, just as nice. I'm gonna put a tiny bit of condensed milk, and then that's it. Just like that, cornmeal porridge is done, ready to serve. Yippee, 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 yippee. It's gonna be a nice one.